Hello YouTube! In this video we will perform transmission fluid change on BMW E39 525d. This procedure is for manual gearbox equipped cars. Let's get started. You need to lift the car up to access underside of the car. After car is lifted up securely, first remove plastic underside panel. Use Phillips head screwdriver and untighten all the screws that hold underside panel in place. Screws are designed in a way that they won't fall out of the panel. With all screws released, plastic panel can simply be removed and put to the side. As you can see on our specific car specimen, this panel has already seen better times. We can now freely access transmission. Use ratchet or breaker bar with socket size 17mm and remove filler plug first. Always remove filler plug first, as if you have trouble removing it later, when you already drained the oil, your day will get much worse and car will be stuck on lift. Put oil drain pan under transmission drain plug and remove drain plug. You can now admire how old oil is rushing out. Meanwhile, we can take a look at the drain plug. You can see small amount of brass particles from singers in it. This is normal wear and tear for over 400,000 kilometers this car has driven in its life. Returning to the transmission with oil drained out, we can check for additional debris accumulated on the magnet, which is located on the bottom of the transmission, just before drain plug hole towards front of the car. You can use little finger and carefully scrub and remove debris. As you can see here, not much was accumulated and there are just very small particles. Which is good, as if you have any large metal particles on the magnet, there is something broken in the transmission. Now we move to assembly part. Clean threads of filler and drain plug with brass brush. To top it all off, wash both plugs with brake cleaner to remove all debris from it and wipe dry with clean rag. As said, clean both of the plugs in the same manner. Before filling the transmission, we need to screw drain plug back in. Clean threads on the transmission. Use torque wrench with socket size 17. Torque specified for both plugs is 50 Nm. Clean oily spots around the plug with some brake cleaner and we are almost prepared to fill the transmission up. We used brand new oil syringe tool, so if you do the same, I strongly recommend to clean it well first. In ours, inside there were some particles from manufacturing and you do not want to have debris in your transmission. Use brake cleaner and clean rag with combination of compressed air. Transmission oil for BMW E39 manual gearbox needs to be grade 75W80. From the official manual, transmission should hold 1.2 liters of oil, but we had 3 liters ready, just in case. At this point, you can put into the comment section how much oil you think it truly goes into this transmission. Write number in liters with 1 decimal point. Process of filling transmission up is quite straightforward. Pull oil from the container, insert hose into transmission filler hole, squeeze and repeat. First container is almost empty. We should transfer all remaining oil into new one, so syringe can suck up oil easier. Otherwise, half of the syringe will be filled just with air. When oil starts to flow out of the filler hole, transmission is full. Screw filler plug in at that point, and again use torque wrench set to 50 Nm. Wipe excess oil with some paper towels or rag, spiced up with brake cleaner. Do not forget to mount plastic skid plate back on the underside of the car, and you are good to go. So, how much oil went into the transmission? I would say about 1.8 liters, taking into account a bit of spillage that happened on the tabletop. Very close with your guess. Let us know in the comments. If you like these kind of videos, or if they are helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.